Ready to ditch the social media juggling act and turn your Instagram into a sales-generating machine on autopilot? First, let's connect Shopify to Instagram. Head to the Shopify App Store and search for a reputable Instagram automation app. Popular choices include Buffer, Hootsuite, or later, install the app that best fits your needs and budget. Once installed, connect your Instagram business account to the app. You'll be prompted to grant necessary permissions, allowing the app to access your Instagram account and post on your behalf. Now, let's create an automated post within the app. Select the option to schedule a new post, then choose the Shopify product you want to feature. Most apps will automatically pull the product image, description, and price. Craft a compelling caption that highlights the product's benefits and includes a clear call to action, like visit our store or shop now. Include relevant hashtags to increase your post's visibility, and you can use hashtag research tools to find what's trending. Enable product tagging. This allows you to tag the product directly in the image, making it shoppable for your followers. When they tap the tag, they'll be taken directly to the product page on your Shopify store. Select the date and time you want your post to go live. Consider your audience's activity patterns when choosing the optimal posting schedule. Maintain brand consistency by using a consistent visual style and tone of voice across all your posts. Track your Instagram analytics to see which posts perform best, and you can adjust your strategy accordingly. Avoid spamming your followers with constant product promotions. Mix in engaging content, like customer testimonials or behind-the-scenes glimpses, to keep your feed interesting. That's it. Now you're well on your way to automating your Instagram posts from Shopify and turning your social media into a powerful sales tool. Don't forget to subscribe for more e-commerce tips and tricks.